How can you add a focus widget on the iPhone? Let me show you how it could work. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, of course, you can hold down on the home screen, go to the edit and add a widget, and you can browse through the options, but focus mode is simply not present here, right? So there are some other things that we have to do about it instead. One way would be to check out the Shortcuts app from Apple and click on the plus button and start a new shortcut, right? So you'll be able to click on the actions, look up the focus, and click on a set focus. So you'll be able to turn on or off specific focus mode, right? So that is how you can set up. For example, I'm going to turn on the work focus mode until it's turned off or until some time is up, whatever the option is. But that is how you can set it up, right? So that is going to be the shortcut. But the point is that once the shortcut is ready, we can click on share and add it to the home screen, right? So we're going to have a quick toggle on the home screen to enable the focus mode, right? Whenever I want, and I'll be able to quickly access it. So that is something which kind of serves the purpose of a widget, even though it's not technically a widget. However, you might also mean the control center toggle there for the focus, which of course that's pretty simple to add. You can just hold down on it and click on add a control from the bottom. You can also literally look up the focus mode right there and add the toggle if you somehow removed it, right? Because as you can tell, you can also remove it from the control center. So if you need to ever bring it back, that is how you would do it. So I hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.